Split screen is a cool way to multitask between two apps on your Android phone, and it's super easy to use. To use split screen, you'll first tap the app switcher button to bring up all your open apps. Find an app you want to use and then tap the app icon on the top. A menu opens up and you'll choose Open in Split Screen View. Now it's time to pick the second app. You'll see your recent apps laid out, or if you'd like, you can access your app drawer to pick any app from there. After that, you'll have two apps side by side, and you can interact with both of them simultaneously. Screen rotation works as usual, and you can use the bar in the middle to adjust the split between the apps if you want to give one of the apps a little more screen real estate. There's a million different ways to use split screen, but here I could, for example, play a video on YouTube and use the second app to browse the internet, take notes, or scroll social media. You are limited to two apps at a time, and there are some apps that don't fully support split screen. Usually that's games, banking apps, or some video apps. If you go back to the app switcher, you'll see how these two apps are now their own group and they stay together. If you want, you can do this again with another set of apps and create another group, and then switch between those groups. To exit split screen view, you can just drag the divider between the apps to go back to a single app full screen mode. And that's split screen on your Android phone. This will look slightly different depending on your phone model, but the basic idea is the same. Click that like button below if this helped you, and check out my Android playlist for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you there.